next up, Furnace Lair. In this quick video, I'll show you the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crate locations. Let's do it. If you're coming here for a quest, it's a good idea to do this first, just before you clear out the area. This should be your first quest in this brand new area. So starting the quest, we'll need to go underground here. You should find that inside of this final room over here, heading all the way through this underground bunker, we have the weapon crate here, and of course, our little mission bit. So completing this little mission quest down here, sticking close to cover seems to be the way to cheese this boss, other than of course dodging certain attacks, as it sort of just blocks everything that comes towards you. There we go. We should now be able to continue. Okay, so heading out of here now that we've done that little boss fight and found ourselves the weapon crate, we should be able to continue our hunt. Over here to the west, you'll find the Furnace Lair, and just upstairs there, you should find the gear crate. So heading into here, we need to get upstairs into that spot. So there's a staircase here. Around the back up here, you'll find the gear crate, and this is what we find in it. Then, if we zoom in over here, you'll find just over here to the southwest of this place. So heading out here, this little rock over here that's glowing, you'll need to grab an explosive of some kind, like a grenade, and chuck it at this rock, where shortly after, you should see that it reveals a loot crate, and inside of it, we get a small compensator. Pretty cool. Okay, heading back to the actual factory itself, you'll find nearby the rift anchor here. Activating the rift anchor here, bam. From the rift anchor, head over the wall, and you'll find this big building over here. Inside of here, there are quite a few different things. At the very top, you'll find the mystical crate, and we'll need to get up there. The easiest way to do that is probably this red container here, which also contains a gear crate. So we can grab it and then use the roof to hopefully get up. So getting on the roof here, we can hop up onto this bar, and now we can get the mystical crate as well. I don't think there's an easier way up here. Maybe that train onto that bar, but anyways, that's how I did it, and we got this blueprint from it. Fantastic. Then the final location should be over to the northeast, right over here in this little area. So over there, you should find somewhere over here that if we snap in the area, we should reveal a Morphic crate. There we go. Getting rid of it, we get this from the Morphic crate. Pretty useful. Anyways, that's really it for this quick area. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.